Hi, this is Liam for Kumar Karthik. There's a research review on using machine learning to read a chemical sensing signal called SIRS. Its best idea isn't a new algorithm, it's a three-tier framework for grading whether a published result is actually trustworthy. Let's test that framework for real. Help me explain it, check it against real claims in the paper, and show what happens when someone actually checks the paper itself. SIRS spectra are packed with information and packed with noise, substrate, instrument, sample all bleeding into the same signal. Machine learning is supposed to separate the two. Here's the paper's own scale for grading whether it actually worked. Tier 1, 2, 3, empty for now. Let's fill it in. Classical methods first. Support vector machines and random forests are the most validated. They work with the small, noisy datasets this field actually has. Deep learning, CNNS, transformers hits 90+% on big single-site datasets, but on the small datasets most studies actually run, it holds no consistent edge at all. Now the grading, one study, serum spectra, 2 independent patient cohorts, 95.8% accuracy reaches Tier 2. Another 66,000 spectra, 97% accuracy, sits right on the Tier 2-3 border, huge dataset but one site, one time period. Almost everything else in this field, Tier 3, hypothesis generating, not one published study reaches Tier 1. So here's the twist question, is the paper making this argument itself trustworthy? Clean definitions, confident tone, no reasoning given for why these particular methods were chosen. Before I tell you what happened, is that a red flag or just good editing? Commit. It was a red flag. The methodology section listed techniques but never argued for them and read like it had been AI generated. Kumar raised it. His PM confirmed it was a real problem. Then a second teammate, without being told any of this, read the same section and reached the identical conclusion on his own. The first rewrite pass still had citation inaccuracy problems. A review process called it out directly. The next pass, built on that diagnosis, came back clean. The paper's own gaps, no external validation for wastewater deployment, no cross-site testing, are still there, honestly, in the text. That's the point. The fix wasn't polish, it was rigor. The paper's real argument, this field doesn't need new architectures, it needs harder validation, and most of what gets published falls short of that bar. Kumar's team's own process, diagnose, confirm independently, then actually fix it, is a small working model of the exact discipline the paper is arguing for. That work is what supports his renewal. Your turn, paste this into Claude. Here's a research paper making a strong claim. Help me build a three-tier framework for how trustworthy that claim really is, and test it against the paper's own evidence. The tier that grades the papers. This is Liam for Kumar Karthik.